Mihira, we're going to discuss walking aids today. Given your recent surgery and limited weight-bearing capacity, we need to find the right one for you. A walker provides the most stability, but can be cumbersome indoors. Crutches offer more mobility, but require upper body strength. And then there's the cane, which is lightweight but offers less support.
I'm worried about falling. Which one would be safest?
Safety is our priority. A walker is generally considered the safest, but it depends on your specific needs. We'll assess your balance, strength, and gait to determine the best option. Remember, it's not just about preventing falls, but also about aiding in your recovery and improving mobility. We might even consider a combination of aids for different environments.
Okay, I understand. I just want to be able to get around independently as soon as possible.
We'll work towards that goal. But Mihira, remember, rushing the process can lead to setbacks. It's important to listen to your body and gradually increase your activity level. We'll adjust the walking aid as needed. Mihira, I understand you're looking for more information about the upcoming procedure, and I want to walk you through it gently and clearly. The surgery you'll be having is often referred to as a septoplasty or rhinoplasty, depending on what exactly is being corrected. It's a procedure designed to improve breathing, correct the shape of your nose, or both. It typically takes about 30 to 90 minutes to complete, which means it's relatively short. For your comfort and safety, the entire procedure will be performed under general anesthesia. This means you'll be completely asleep and won't feel any pain or have any memory of the surgery itself. A specialized anesthesia provider will be with you the entire time to monitor your vital signs. The actual surgical part involves the surgeon making small, precise incisions made entirely inside your nose. The great thing about this approach is that, in most cases, it means there are no visible external scars afterward. Once inside, the surgeon will work to gently reshape or remove small amounts of cartilage and bone. This is the key step where they correct any structural issues, like a deviated septum that might be blocking your airway, or refine the shape to achieve the desired result. Following the reshaping, the surgeon will finish the procedure with splinting. This is a crucial step for healing. It usually involves placing a soft, flexible internal splint inside each nostril. These splints act like internal casts, providing support to the newly reshaped structures and preventing scar tissue from forming. They also help minimize bleeding and swelling right after the surgery. These internal splints are temporary and are usually removed by your doctor after a few days, often during your first follow-up visit. While they are in, your nose will feel congested, but knowing this is a temporary part of the healing process can help. We've covered the typical procedure time, the anesthesia, how the structural changes are made, and the use of internal splints. I want to make sure you feel heard and prepared. Now that you have this detailed explanation, do you have any specific concerns or questions about any part of the procedure or what comes next?